Recently, more than 3 asteroids passed very close from Earth, and now a new comet is coming towards Earth. This comet called C by 2020 F3 or Neowise. This is a very rare comet, and this was first discovered in 27 March 2020 by astronomers using the Neowise Space Telescope. And there is more. In this video, I will discuss about some crazy facts of Neowise comet. Hello, here I welcome you in the science news of the Inner Vision. Let's get started. The recently discovered comet called C by 2020 F3, also known as Neowise, after the NASA telescope that discovered it, will make its closest approach to the Earth on July 22nd. This comet will be clearly visible in the northern western sky. It will be visible after sunset for around 20 minutes for the next 20 days, and specially people can observe it from naked eyes. The comet will be visible in India from July 14 onwards, as it soars across the solar system. On 22nd July, this comet will be at a distance of 64 million miles or 103 million kilometers while crossing Earth's outside orbit. And you should feel very lucky because this comet takes 6,800 years to complete one lap around its orbit. So if you are watching it in 2020, this comet will be visible again in around 7,000 years later. On July 3rd, the comet was closest to the Sun at 43 million kilometers. On this day, the comet cruised inside Mercury's orbit, and due to its proximity to the Sun, its outer layer was released, creating an atmosphere of gas and dust from its icy surface, which is referred as coma. Scientists involved in the mission said that the comet is about 3 miles across. Its nucleus is covered with sooty material dating back to the origin of our solar system 4.6 billion years ago. So now you are probably thinking that what is comet? So basically the comet is a celestial object, and comets are mostly made of dust, rocks and ice. The remnants from time the solar system was formed over 4.6 billion years ago. Comets can range in their width from a few miles to more than 10 miles wide. As they orbit closer to the Sun, like in the case of C by 2020 F3, they heat up and release debris of dust and gases that forms into a glowing head that can often be larger than a planet. Millions of comets are orbiting the Sun, but according to NASA, there are more than 3,650 known comets as of now. Astronomers study comets since they believe that they hold important clues about the formation of the solar system, and it is possible that comets brought water and other organic compounds which are the building blocks of life to Earth. So if you learned something today, like and share this video, and if you want to know exactly how our universe created, check the description. Thanks for watching.